Hey, what's going on, Bluegrass Cleaning? This is Sean with OEI Digital. Just wanted to send over this quick video. We noticed you were advertising on Google, and we just wanted to show you a way that you could actually increase the amount of traffic that's being driven to your website and the amount of phone calls you're getting for carpet cleaning in Lexington, and decrease the amount of ad spend you're using. So we know about only about 15% of people are clicking on the ads onto Google. So when somebody's searching for carpet cleaning in Lexington, only about 15% of the time are they going to click on an ad. Um, we know a lot more traffic is driven through these organic results. People just trust them more than the ads. Um, and we also know that about 90% of the time, someone's going to click on the first 10 results. That's because that's generally the first page of Google is the first 10 results. We found you down here on the 20th result, which would be the very bottom of page 2. Forbes actually says that 70 to 90% of the clicks when people are searching for something on Google it's going to be on the first page. Only about 6% go past that to the second and beyond. So if you go over this tool that we can look up search volume for specific keywords, specifically if someone's typing in carpet cleaning Lexington, Kentucky, that's happening about 700 times a month, specifically in that order. All these other keywords related to carpet cleaning in Lexington, Kentucky, there's hundreds, if not thousands, of searches for carpet cleaning in Lexington, Kentucky. And as we said, if you're not on that first page, most likely all of that traffic is being driven to your competitors that are showing up on the first page. Real quick, we just wanted to show you 3 things Google uses to evaluate websites and place them on their rankings. The first thing is backlinks. Now, backlinks are just links from a different website pointing to your website. Google kind of sees these as votes. So the more times other websites vote for your website, the higher it's going to rank on Google. Go over to this other tool, Majestic, that we have. We type in your URL. We can see all the different websites that are linking back to your website, all of your backlinks. And you have 33, which isn't bad. We noticed that a lot of your competitors on page 1 had over 50, some all the way up to 70 links from other sites. So that could be one reason why they're ranking higher on Google and ranking onto that first page. The number 2 thing that Google looks at is citations, and citations are just the reference of your business on directories online. So your business's name, address, phone number on hundreds of different online business directories, some of them specific to carpet cleaning, and the more you have those citations, the more you show up for Google, and Google sees you as relative and authoritative in this industry. For the big ones, Google My Business, Bing Maps, Facebook, Yelp. But like I said, there are hundreds, and some of them specific to carpet cleaning or service industries. So, like I said, the more you have of those, the more you show up in Google's eyes. And number 3, what Forbes says is the most important thing as far as ranking factors, and that's content. So the more keyword relative content that you have on your website, the better. From our research, people showing up on the first page generally have 1,500 to 2,000 words of keyword dense content on your home page. It seems like you have a decent amount. Probably less than 1,000 words though. So it just helps Google's bots as they're scrolling through websites to see exactly what their website's about. And the more relative that content is, it's easier for Google to rank your page higher when people are searching for these specific keywords. So those are the 3 things Google really looks at when ranking pages, and with hundreds, like I said, if not thousands of searches for carpet cleaning in Lexington every month, the first page is really where you want to be. So if you don't have anybody working on that for you right now, we'd love to schedule a meeting that we can talk about it. Again, my name is Sean Nelson. I'm with a company called OEI Digital. My number is 859-327-9111. I'll send a link in the email along with this video. and we can schedule a time that we can chat about really increasing your presence on Google to really funnel a lot of that traffic to your business. Thanks for your time.